Let's cut across to Adi Godrej, chairman of Godrej Properties, who is detailing their Q4 earnings.
10 new projects were finalized during the last financial year. And there is excellent momentum in our Vikhroli projects. Vikhroli will be a very large current and future development opportunity for Godrej Properties. Our net profits and margins were affected primarily because of minority interest which came from past private equity deals. But our profit before exceptional income, etc., were also up about 50%. Number of projects and constructed area has grown very smartly and will continue to grow in financial year 13 very strongly. And we have already signed 2 new agreements, 2 new deals in financial year 13, in this current financial year. So that's a summary. I think you have been given all the details of the results, etc. And Pirojsha and I will be very happy to answer any questions. Anybody has any particular questions?
The debt equity ratio
the debt equity ratio now is about 1.06 at the end of the quarter, and that has come down from just about 2 at the end of Q3. So there's been a significant reduction in the debt equity.
Do you have any further plans to reduce it? Because analysts say that still it is one of the highest debt equity in the...
No, we've said that we're quite comfortable with the debt equity ratio in the range of 1 to 1.5:1. We think that allows us to both manage our business prudently but also capture the kind of opportunities that are available. We will continue to look to improve cash flows from operations, from exiting commercial projects, but we don't think our gearing level is at a concerning level at all anymore. At 1:1 debt equity ratio, the cost of capital, if you look at the weighted average cost of debt and equity, that's ideal.
Can you give us the net debt figure, please?
About 1,500 crores.
Which are the commercial projects you plan to take?
We're doing several commercial projects. Most important ones are 2 projects we're doing in Mumbai. One in Vikhroli, a project called Godrej 1, which is a 750,000 square foot A-grade commercial office building, and another one in Bandra Kurla complex in partnership with Jet Airways, which is a 1.2 million square foot office building again in the heart of Bandra Kurla complex. We also have some IT projects in Kolkata, 2 projects, Godrej Waterside and Godrej Genesis, and 1 commercial office project in Chandigarh called Godrej Eternia.
Mr. Pirojsha, analysts say that this BKC project is a little bit of stress on your balance sheet. Do you have, I would like to hear your views on that, as well as do you have any plans to sell any stake in that project?
It is a more capital-intensive project than one of our typical projects. At the same time, it is a very large project in the most desirable commercial location in India. We are very confident that the project will do well. We will, of course, continue to evaluate opportunities to reduce the capital employed in the project, but we don't have anything firm in place at this stage.
But the market rumors is saying that GIC has called up this deal because of the unviability in this project. So
you discuss private equity and other investment deals with many people, and then of course some fructify and some don't. So that's part of any negotiation and any discussion. Not everything.
Right, that was Godrej Properties outlining their Q4 numbers. The company says that they have seen a significant reduction in their debt equity ratio. Their debt stands now at 1,500 crores, and the company is also going to look at improving their cash flows from operations in FY13. But it's time for a short break now. We'll be back in a minute.